Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best table so you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Tablesaw and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Tablesaw so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a Tablesaw. First, think about the type of Tablesaw you need: portable, contractor, or cabinet models, depending on your workspace and project size. Next, check the power and motor capacity, as higher horsepower means smoother cuts through thick wood. The saw blade size and quality are also crucial because they affect cutting depth and precision. Pay attention to safety features like blade guards, riving knives, and emergency shutoff switches. A stable fence system and accurate miter gauge are important for consistent, straight cuts. Also, look for dust collection options to keep your workspace cleaner and safer. Finally, compare build quality, noise levels, and price to ensure good value for money. Choosing the right Tablesaw will make your woodworking easier and safer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.